What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna do 4 poses you can do to help relieve that stiff back you have when you wake up in the morning. We can wake up in the morning with a stiff back, maybe some pain in the low back, maybe some pain in the hips and the neck, all because of our mattress, how we sleep, the way that we sleep. Maybe we don't sleep so well. So when we wake up in the morning, we have a really stiff back, we have some low pain. These yoga poses, nice stretches, are gonna help to relieve some of that so you can get ready to tackle your day. So we're gonna start on our hands and knees, and we're gonna start with our first one, child's pose.
Come on to the hands and knees, bringing the big toes together to touch. Walk your knees out as wide as you feel comfortable, like as wide as the mat. And then using your hands, push your hips back onto your heels. Reaching the arms forward, stretching out the spine. Take a big breath in, feeling the ribs expand into the sides of the bodies and to the back. And as you exhale, maybe go a little bit deeper, knees a little wider. You can even walk the hands over to the left as you do that. Draw the right hip back more. Send breath into the right side of the body. And then walk over to the other side, taking a nice little side body stretch. Let's come back up onto the hands and knees for cat and cow. On the inhale, let your heart reach forward, your gaze goes up. As you exhale, round the spine. On the inhale, feel the shoulder blades coming together on the back as the belly drops to the floor. And as you exhale, rounding the spine, pull the navel in and up like you're pushing the floor away. Take anywhere about 5 to 10 breaths in this pose. The next pose is thread the needle, which is a nice twist for your spine. As you inhale, twist looking up, and then as you exhale, place the hand and thread it through underneath the other arm, resting down on the cheek and the shoulder, keeping the hips in the air. Try to keep your hips squared so that the twist is happening at your spine and not at your hips. Take a few deep breaths here before moving on to the other side. Next, we're going to go into a low lunge pose. This is great for opening up the hips to help relieve any low back tension. Step 1 foot forward, keeping the other one down. Place your hands on your front thigh and gently push the hips forward, feeling that deep stretch through the hips and the quad of the other leg. You can even take the hands behind the head and lean back to open up the heart and the chest. Think about laying back in a hammock.
So that's it. 4 easy stretches. You can do this every morning when you wake up to release any tension, help to start to get the blood flowing, get your body warmed up for the day, and help to relieve any of that pain or anything that you have going on from how you slept. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Lots more yoga and Pilates for pain-free living videos coming your way. Also, don't forget to check out the Pilates for Beginners series. There's 5 videos that'll take you from pre-Pilates exercises, very basic foundational exercises, all the way to a full beginner mat class in that 5th week video. So definitely go check those out. We love uploading the rest of them soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until the next video, stay well and stay fabulous. Peace.